Let's swap hard drives. Okay guys, just one thing to let you know about on this is that there was a slight issue when I was changing over to the new hard drive, switching from one computer to the other, and that is that it kind of froze in one instance. I couldn't get it off the Apple logo screen, as you can see here. Don't know what it was, but apparently I wasn't the only one. Another person I know who has one had the same issue, that switching the drive from the old computer to the new computer presented a problem where it wouldn't actually boot. It wouldn't even come up with the gray circle to get this thing started. So no idea what caused it. If you have any ideas, let me know. Leave a comment below, because I really like to know issues that you may have had. But again, this was a hard drive swap from an old computer to the new MacBook Pro. Nothing unique about it. They're both running 10.6.6. They're both up to date. There was no difference between them, but it just would not boot. So I actually had to reformat my SSD. Thankfully, I did have a backup, and I can always say, make sure you back up your data. But nothing else I could see that would cause this type of situation. So again, if you have any ideas, just leave a comment below. Look for your input, any ideas, and if you also, if you just subscribe, tell your friends, follow us on Twitter, and we look forward to seeing you next time. This is the Red Mac Daddy, and thanks for watching, and you have a great day.